Multiplex Bio-tech manufacturing unit is fully automated, having world-class technologies with the ability to produce several lakh liters of biofertilizers, biopesticide, biodecomposers with high precision and quality in a single cycle. Unit certificates and accreditations. Recognized In-House R&D Unit by Government of India, Ministry of Science and Technology, New Delhi. All bioproducts are IMO certified. Unit has implemented both quality management system in accordance with ISO 9001:2015 and an environmental management system in accordance with ISO 14001:2015. GMP Good Manufacturing Practice certified. Green Seal USA certified for Shuddi range of products.
Multiplex Farmer, Happy Farmer.